Well guys, you know, I've tried to wait for some good weather to go fly my drone here for the first time in manual mode. It's been like below zero. It's been -10, -15. We've either been getting extreme cold or we've been getting rain, which unfortunately has caused a lot of this snow to melt. Trying to do something that looks halfway decent cinematically. Let me grab everything out of the backpack, get the drone set up, and we'll put her up in the air. So we're gonna go ahead and start the motors. Motors are starting, and get out a ways. So we are in normal. Gonna go ahead and pop up here. All right. Oh, I know the problem here, guys. I forgot to put my antennas on here. So let me go ahead and do that, and I'll get you guys back on. People going by probably wondering what I am doing. Oh yeah, signal is much better there. Okay, so I am in manual mode for the first time here. So see how my liftoff training paid off. It's just kind of cruise. See how far we can get and what the signal looks like. So right now signals are looking good. Let's see, what if I take the speed up a little bit here? Yeah. So I'm gonna see if we can descend a little bit here. Of course, not too much. Fly over these trees. Check this field out over here. You know, been watching Emblem a lot lately. He's been checking out a lot of cool fields. Well, let's see. Let's drop our altitude a little bit coming in here. All right. Let's give her the beans here a little bit. 60 miles an hour. Yeah, about 55. Signal's still looking good. All right. That was classic. I'm so chomping at the bit and so nervous to try manual mode that I forget to put my antennas on the goggles. I have never done that before. Seriously, guys. Yelling at me here just for some altitude zones and such. So I'm gonna pop out here and land. So let's buzz some treetops here. The one thing that I know a lot of people seem to be super comfortable with, and I don't know, maybe your vision is a lot better than mine, is getting like down close to trees and stuff, treetops. I always worry, like, what if there's a rogue branch that's just like, you know, it's just way up there that you don't see, and you don't see in the goggles until the last second, and then you're hosed. I don't know. Let me know in the comments. Maybe an unfounded fear, but definitely a fear of mine. Yeah, let's see here. Let's go and see what's over here. Keeping an eye on our signals. So this is the road that I live not directly off of. This is the main road. There's the turn onto my road on the right there. And I'm gonna zip over here to my parents' road. My little guy's at my parents' house right now. Oh yeah. Cool. Still looking like we got really good signal. I'm happy with that. And she sucks down the battery quick, huh? Guess that's kind of expected in manual mode, isn't it? I am doing 70, so... just wanted to thank you guys for tagging along today. I'm sure everybody at this house is probably wondering what I'm doing parked over there. But we will definitely get back out there when the weather gets a little bit nicer. Or if we do get anything like some good snowfall or whatnot, I'll get out there and get some better scenic footage for you guys. So thanks for tagging along. Really appreciate you guys. Have a good one. We'll catch you on the next one. Later.